Hey guys, what's up? So today we are going to follow a ASMR makeup video, which is a animation video. But animation makeup videos are kind of a joke, and it is more of a satisfaction kind of thing. Like when you have nothing to watch, you watch animation makeup tutorials. They are more calming, especially with the ASMR effects. It was that kind of video, but I really liked the process when I first saw the video. And when I have actually tried the video and the shades what they have told on the video on the model, I really enjoyed this. I hope you guys will enjoy this video as much as I did making it. So without further ado, let's jump straight to the makeup tutorial.
So first of all, the model, she have used a eye cream, which I never ever did before my makeup because I don't like too much moisture on my face before makeup. So yeah, whatever the look will told us, we will do it, whatever they tell. So then they have hard waxed their eyebrows. So I have my wax as well, so I have just boiled it or softened it, whatever you say, I don't know. So then mine is golden color and her is a purple one, I think. So yeah, I applied it to my brows. I think purple is her favorite color because her primer is going to be purple as well, her wax is purple as well. So yeah, whatever. So I'm peeling my eyebrows, whatever is not needed. Then I'm going to use a primer. So here is, as I told, a zombie primer. So I have mixed a little bit of purple with my primer as well, but on the camera it looks really brightened somehow because I think of the purple color. It's really brightened my face. So yeah, that's a tip for you guys. Then she uses a liquid foundation. I have my foundation from Simply Pretty. It is kind of a BB cream, but it is a foundation. So I am using this and 3 dots all over your face and then mixing it with a brush. So I found that mixing it like this after using your primer really generously gives you a really beautiful and nice glow. Just you can see on my face, it looks really thin. And after this blending of foundation, she is using a bronzer. So I don't have a bronzer, so I'm using my Nika contour, and this has a little bit of yellowish undertone. So I'm using this to contour my face, just to swipe over all your face, on your cheeks, on your jawline, and that will be enough. And if you have a big forehead like me and her, you can use it on your forehead as well, but just to swipe, guys. As you can see that her swipe made me look like an angled face. However, this look is going to be really chiseled somehow. I am going to be freaking like shocked in this video. But I am like, why I'm telling this already? So yeah, contouring first. She was bronzing because she had a bronzer I don't have. Then I'm contouring my nose. First your side nose, then your nostrils, and then the middle of your nose, creating a butt nose, what we all know till now. So the makeup video doesn't say to blend because they just do 2 swipes and everything is done. Then I'm using my Simply Pretty Avon concealer as well, and I am pointing it just how she pointed on my face, under your eyes, middle on your nose, just under your contour and down your chin. So this will be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 areas you need to conceal. And by the way, contouring and then concealing under the contour is really going to give me great joy, and I really love this tip, and I actually going to try it every day from now on because I really loved how angular my face became after this contouring. So yeah, a great tip from this animation, and I also learned something great. So blending takes time for me obviously, but her blending just needs 2 swipes and she will be done. So look just how angular my face looks already just under the concealing. Like, I loved this technique. Then we are going to use our powder and just going to set on the places we have concealed, under our eyes, on our nose, on our cheeks, and under the contours obviously. Then there is a brow tutorial of just 1 2 3 4 strokes and the brow is done. So yeah, if I did it that way, my brows are going to look like a 90s joker. So I'm just doing it my usual way. If you want to know how I do my brows, you can go and watch my brow video where I have elaborated everything about our brows, what you need to know and you must know. So first I am lining my brows and then just filling it in. Actually, doing small strokes is the success to a beautiful brow. Then we are moving on to eyeshadow. So she is using a mauvish brown kind of color. So I have used my multi-talented eyeshadow palette. By the time I'm using the eyeshadow palette every single time on my videos, so it has become multi-talented. So I'm using a mauvish color from my palette and then doing again a single line on the lash line to make it like more deeper, and then connecting the lower eyes with that as well, lower lash line, sorry, with that, just copying second time on our other eye. Then we will move on to the inner corners. Then I'm using from my Nika contour palette the golden shade, which is really similar to the shade she is using. It is not that much overpowering but just enough to get the glow she has. Then I'm using my eyeliner pen. This is from Maybelline, everyone knows it, and doing a wing line. Then I'm using my magnetic eyelashes because they are really easy to apply. And if you want to know how to apply magnetic eyelashes or any kind of eyelashes, you can go and check out my other video. Then the ASMR or makeup videos done by professionals has already beautiful models and they already have great lashes, but I don't have it, so I'm using my Maybelline, like maybe it's Maybelline or maybe she is born with it. This is the correct tag to pronounce it. Then I am going to blend my powder into my skin. Somehow this model is not even like blinking her eye after getting the powder in her eye, but we are going to blend our powder in our skin because I don't like to waste my powder. Then using a mauvish color, just the same shade as your eyes, and doing your blush with it. Then for the lipstick options, I have 2 lipsticks. So this is from Avon, this is Mauve Matters, and this is from Lakme, this is Blush Velvet from the 9 to 5 range. So I feel like the mauve one is more better in my skin tone. So yeah, I chose it for my lipstick today. So this is how I look, but the model has a more kind of golden tones after the video, like amazingly somehow. Even she haven't applied any highlighter. So I'm going to highlight my face with the same palette from Nika and just using in the highlighted points. So obviously when you will stand in the sun, it will look just like the model have done the makeup, but we are in at night and we are at our room, so we look pretty much good enough to be pictured and just like really good. I really love this look because I really love natural.
So I have really enjoyed this makeup video, making it, filming it, and the eyebrow joke and everything. I have enjoyed so much. So thank you so much for watching, and I think you have enjoyed as well. And if you did, please don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.